Well, sir, we'll start with you. This is action-packed, power-packed. You've been seeing it a million times in your edit studio. जब लोगों के साथ देखते हो और जो सीटियां सही वक्त पर चलने लग जाती है, how are you feeling looking at it?
अरे सब लोग तो मेरे ही है यार सारे मतलब द मेन थिंग इज
Attendance तो full है.
15th August को जब 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 that's when we'll go out to the theaters and cinema halls and then hopefully the मतलब we'll not be able to hear the dialogues
But
which are
they're
very very good by the way.
absolutely. But ये, you know, this combination between you and John sir is always fantastic. And like I say, you know, कई बार believable नहीं लगता है कुछ चीजें जब हम बड़े पर्दे पर देखते हैं. आप दोनों की जो केमिस्ट्री है फॉर एक्शन इतना बिलीवेबल लगता है. So the first time, कई बार हो चुका है. We've seen it on big screen also. What is this magic and how does this always happen?
Because I think when John hits something, it looks as if it's going to break, right? So I mean, you know, Salim Saab told us that told me one day, Salim Saab said that they created Amitabh Bachchan, right? Salim and Javed, they created Amitabh Bachchan, and nowadays आजकल के जो हीरो है, जब वो लोग गन पकड़ते हैं, उनको आप कहना चाहते हो बेटा रख दो, चल जाएगी, right? With John, it looks as if it's a part of his hand, right? And it's so it's like, I mean, it's very the important thing is how do we keep challenging him? How do you make it more difficult for him? How do we keep making it more and more difficult for him to do something which is like, you know, which is not done before? So yeah.
You know, but John, you're just way beyond just the physicality of it. मुझे याद है कि हम लोग कई बार इसके ऊपर डिस्कशन कर चुके हैं. अब बॉडी है तो है, but you've gone way beyond that in the last many years. और बॉक्स ऑफिस पर चाहे सत्यमेव जयते हो, चाहे बाटला हाउस हो, वो भी चल जाती. You've learned how to use this beautiful physicality, and it doesn't overpower the screen with that. वो है, अब बाइसेप है तो है, लेकिन पावर पैक भी बहुत परफॉर्मेंस हो जाती है. Is there also that special understanding between निखिल जब आप फिल्में बनाती हो उनके साथ भी? You know how not to showcase. अभी सिक्स पैक नहीं दिखाना है, वो जमाना जा चुका है. आप सब कुछ दिखा चुके हो. So the next part of it, moving forward, which is true.
सब कुछ दिखा दिया है.
बिल्कुल.
Yeah.
But moving forward also, this now looks so real. We love watching it. तभी सीटियां actually निकल जाती. So is there that special understanding also when you're making action cinema with him?
Yeah, I think first of all, thank you for having us here, and thank you for coming here. I've come on stage, I think, after 2 or 3 years, so I'm a little awkward and I'm a little rough on the edges. So, yeah, with Nikhil, it's he just has to walk up to me and he's about to give me a brief, and I say, yeah, that's what you want. Yeah, okay. So it's a mental connection that two of us have, and I always say this, and I don't know whether I'm politically correct in saying this. कि आप फिल्म को जितना भी मार्केट करो कुछ फायदा नहीं अगर फिल्म खराब है. You can market it till the cows come home. I think Veda's a damn good film, and I'm saying this on record. It's a very good film, and we'll see on August 15th with the word of mouth as to what Veda does.
ये वर्ड ऑफ माउथ शब्द एक्चुअली आजकल बहुत पावरफुल हो चुका है. यहाँ स्टेज पर कुछ लोग ऐसे खड़े हैं जिसके बारे में ये बहुत इजीली जानते हैं. I'm going to come to her also. She's understood what this word of mouth is. 100 crores so ऐसे हो जाता है. But Umesh ji, Zee Studios had a very successful run. But you know, whenever you look at what film should we choose, ऐसा होता है कि यार इस फिल्म में कुछ एक्स्ट्रा है. Like John has seen this, डबिंग में भी देख लिया है. लेकिन जब लोगों के साथ देखते हो तो ऐसा लगता है कि okay, Veda has something extra. ऐसा आपके साथ भी हुआ था? How did you choose this?
With this bunch of great makers, with this cast and the story that we have, how could we say no? I think when you watch the movie and you guys have seen the trailer, it's a very powerful film. And with this one, we definitely think we will punch this out of the market.
Did you chat with a lot of people to say यार मेरा तो एकदम perfect आया है इसके? You know, looking at this, you feel my instinct is perfect. But then you do second guess your own instinct also with your close ones also when you're watching it.
So I think the audience is finally who will give us the verdict. We are leaving it to them. We are very happy with the product, and like John said, कितना भी marketing कर लो, ultimately the content speaks, and that it is.
The word of mouth शब्द जो था, Sharvari knows all about it. I remember मुंजिया के time में there was a little bit of stress. She was in my studio. Salil, it should work. ऐसा चल गया. Can you please tell us what you're eating? या what is the मंत्र जाप that you're doing? एक महीने से सिर्फ आपको ही आपके देखते जा रहे हैं. Big round of applause for her also. She just burst onto the scene in a very short time. और हर एक एक्टर ये समझता है जब आपकी पहली फिल्म आती है और जो शायद ऐसा ना करे जैसे आप चाहते हो और उसके बाद एक गैप हो जाता है, फिर धड़ाधड़ जब आने लग जाती हैं, you're just saying, wow, this is like Sachin Tendulkar hitting 50 and hundreds. So congratulations. But this is again a very different avatar. You know, the assumption would be कि आप एक टाइप का ऐसा रोल पकड़ेंगे और बिल्कुल ऐसा नहीं कर रहे हैं. तो जो आपने रूल बुक को बाहर फेंक दी है इसके बारे में जरूर बताएं.
My heart is pounding a little bit.
Now you should be used to it.
Um, I'm also seeing this trailer in the theater with so many people and this kind of sound effects for the first time. So my heart is pounding. That's you guys will hear my heart. But I'm just grateful actually at this point for everything that has happened so far. Like you said, of course, my journey has not been the you know that your first film comes and then it doesn't work the way you wanted it to work. It's been a 3 year gap, like you said, so it's been a while. Uh, but a film like Veda, I just want to say thank you to Nikhil sir, the main person, the first person who's given me this film, and I just want to say thank you because this film has not I think I found confidence in myself when I was on the set. I have found confidence when he gave me this film because for an actor like me, it's important for a director like Nikhil sir to just believe in me. Forget the end product, forget what happens, etc. But the fact that he put his faith in me, that just means the whole world to me because that has changed everything for me. You know, it has made me a different person. It has made me a different actor. And thank you, Nikhil sir, for
I can
everything.
genuinely feel the gratitude coming out right now, and I can see their relief also. I can also feel tears behind you. This is fantastic. You've done it. You've made it. This is brilliant. I know the wait can be really long. So, congratulations. You deserve all the success.
Thank you so
Really do.
much to everyone also. Thank you so much.
Monisha, congratulations. Wow. You know, you come out and you see the films and you say, okay, we've chosen topics and we don't actually know anymore what works. You know, I mean, even John himself as a producer has always been so brave. You know, he could have done so many things that was so run of the mill over the years. लेकिन ऐसा नहीं किया उन्होंने भी. You know, something like this, sensitive films, you say, yes, this is an interesting topic to pick up. But then, how's your choice when you go back home and think about it 5 times? Should we make this? Should we not? क्या ये पैसा बनाएंगे? क्योंकि producers को तो इसके बारे में सोचना पड़ता है. Actor तो will give his best, but the producers want the best to translate is equal to money. तो इसमें how's that process?
Thanks, Sunny. Firstly, thank you everyone for being over here, and I hope you like the trailer that we had for you. Thank you. What you're seeing is relief on a lot of faces over here because I think some of you may be aware of the journey we had after making the film and bringing it to this point. I want to say, answer your question about the choices, and I have to be very honest. I said no. When Nikhil shared the script with me in the middle of the pandemic and said, Manisha, this is the film I want to make. And we were on a Zoom call, and I said, no, Nikhil, it's such a strong subject. Do you think we can make this? And he says, this is the film I want to make. So I want to say this. Yes, he is my younger brother, and so you would say this is the sister and me, but this is the producer, and he's saying, hats off to this guy. You're never going to hear this again from me. So enjoy it. It's his 10th film. A lot of people have an impression about Nikhil that he works like a madman. He does. He is a madman. But hats off to you, Nick. And so I have to say, firstly, Nikhil and our partner Madhu for fighting me on this and saying we're going to make this film.
She convinced you to call back after the Zoom call ended.
Completely.
Acha.
He called her directly and said, you know what, she doesn't know what she's talking about. So it works very well when you're 3 partners. But guess what? We have a 4th partner in this. And that's that guy standing at the end over there. You've talked about his muscles. Trust me, his brains work faster.
Oh, yeah.
And he turned to these two and said, Bas, ye karna hi hai. When is Monisha going on a holiday? Okay. And I swear, I kid you not, Z wonderfully came into place and turned around and said, yes, where's Monisha? She's on a holiday. So full credit for Veda goes to everybody on the stage. I have to say that the part I've played is really small in this one. But I think the part with the public, the audience, our well-wishers are going to play is going to make a big difference because it is a very important film. We've tried to make an entertaining film. You could see that. I mean, there's great action. What a team we have. Malay, who's done such an incredible job with the camera. He has an ACES team. I have to say this about Amin Bhai. Amin Bhai, foreign action directors, ek taraf, aap is taraf. I have to say this man has been with us and every credit that we have comes from him. The team is a lot larger. I mean, there's many names that I'm not going to take over here, but I thought of these two because when I look at this, I think about the fact that what their teams have done to create this magic, Sunny. So there you go. This is what we back. We back these guys.
Fantastic. Couldn't have said it better. But I have to add the lady standing right next to you, who I feel now, after this discussion, became one of the most important reasons why this project actually happened, Madhu. So you actually, like I said, when you talk about difficult subjects भारत में, है ना? कास्ट के ऊपर अगर बात होती है, आर्टिकल 15 की अगर बात होती है, संविधान की अगर बात होती है, दिस इज चलो इससे थोड़ा दूर रह जाते हैं. व्हाई? बिकॉज कई बार आपको सेंसर में इशू हो सकता है, लोगों का डिस्कशन हो सकता है, ये सब आता है,
हो नहीं सकता,
होता है.
होता है.
बट आप जीत गए तो कंग्रेचुलेशन, यूए सर्टिफिकेट मिला है, ये बहुत बड़ी जीत है. एक्चुअली ये स्टेज पर लोगों का सेंसर के साथ बड़ा इशू है ही, शर्वरी का भी है, जॉन का भी है, तो बट इट इज ऑलवेज डिफिकल्ट. सो मेरा ये भी सवाल है, जब आप ये पिक्चर बना रहे होते हैं, एक तो ग्रीन लाइट होता है, उसके बाद बीच में आर यू सेइंग आर वी गोइंग लिटिल टू मच? ऑफ कोर्स देन यू हैव टू लेट इट बी कंप्लीटली निखिल, बट देन डू यू स्टार्ट टू सेकंड गेस, ये बहुत ज्यादा नहीं बन रहे, कुछ ज्यादा तो नहीं हो रहा है? ये सब हुआ आपके साथ में व्हेन यू वर मेकिंग?
I think we ask that question of ourselves every time. कुछ ज्यादा नहीं हो रहा है. और मैं सिर्फ बजट की नहीं बात कर रही, मैं हर एस्पेक्ट की बात कर रही हूँ. बट आई थिंक सलिल, द काइंड ऑफ स्टोरीज दैट वी टेल, जो मुद्दे या जो कहानियां हम बताते हैं, आई थिंक दैट वन, द वुमेन्स वॉइस इज वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग इन द स्टोरीज दैट वी टेल एट एमी. इनफैक्ट आई थिंक जी के साथ हमने, ये हमारी सेकेंड रिलीज है मिसेस चैटर्जी के बाद. And let's not forget that the population is 50% women, not only in the world, but on this stage as well today. So you start counting.
Yeah.
Huh? So,
Well done. Yeah.
so I think that, whether it is provocative subjects, intellectually provocative, thought provocative, I think that, all these things, we go through a lot of deliberation, but Nikhil really knows how to pick them. And I think that our journey of MA Entertainment started with D-Day, which I think today is a hugely iconic film. And अगर वो एक trailer था, तो this is what you're seeing, the culmination. He just keeps upping the ante, and we walk step by step. We match him. We try to match him. And I think that, this Jugalbandi, whether it is of the three of us, whether it is our relationship with John, which is, I think now, this is our 4th or 5th film together. And then, with Z, I think, we are keepers. So I think hopefully this partnership will also pay off. But we keep upping the ante.
It works. And before I come to Abhishek, there's a lady right at the end. Well, everyone who knows, if you want to come to John, you have to go through Meenakshi. That's the way it works. That's the filter, and it's fantastic. Congratulations, Meenakshi.
Everyone can go to John directly. I think everyone knows that.
I
He's
love
the
him, but-
most approachable man on this planet.
And you are so in the right spot. Congratulations on this new, as a co-producer. I've known you for so long. You've always been so level-headed. You've always worked in the right spaces. But I think this partnership with you and John also, the way it goes back and forth, this is fantastic. Just to be part of this also. And you've seen Veda from the very beginning. Just your thoughts now that you see this and it's out and just a couple of weeks now to go.
First of all, thank you so much. You've seen me from the beginning. and I've seen
Absolutely.
you always, So that's really sweet. Veda, I think from sitting in the conference room with Nikhil, I don't know, I think it took a couple of years, if I'm correct in saying that. And the amount of work that Nikhil and John have put in at the script level. So they both of them were so clear that till the time they're not convinced with the script on on table, on paper, they are not going to get onto the floor. So that clarity, that conviction, that amount of time, that kind of investment, that's impeccable. I mean, it's amazing.
And that's the reason why
And
you're...
I'm so lucky that, of course, I'm lucky that, and I'm grateful that I have John in my life, but these guys are a bonus, and how. And I mean, I just feel that we are part of MA Entertainment also. It's so unique.
That's a lovely bonus to have, by the way. I have to say this. A lot of people want to be in your shoes. But इस आदमी की मैं जितनी बात करूं उतनी कम है. Every time you come on screen, Abhishek, मैं बताऊं, लोग पहले बोलते थे ना कि swag होना चाहिए, screen presence होना चाहिए. धीरे धीरे करते, you have made such a lovely name for yourself. Also, पहले तालियां इनके लिए भी हो जाए, boss. जब भी लोग बोलते हैं ना कि अपने बलबूते पर अपने दम पर लोग जब बड़े हो जाते हैं एंड धीरे धीरे करके अच्छे परफॉर्मेंसेस के साथ एंड नाउ यू डिजर्व एवरी बिट ऑफ सक्सेस ब्रदर, यू आर सच अ ब्रिलियंट परफॉर्मर। और अभी जॉन के सामने अगर जब मारपीट भी करनी होती है, देखिए आपको मसल बनाने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ती है, आप तो बेस्ट यही हो, बाकी सारे जो वो उनको ऐसे 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 आना पड़ता है। सो कंग्रेचुलेशन ऑन प्योर टैलेंट ऑल्सो एंड व्हाट अ वंडरफुल परफॉर्मेंस। छोटा बहुत थोड़ा बहुत देखा है सिर्फ ऑब्वियसली, बट इन पे भी काम करके और इनके साथ काम करके कैसा लगा आपको?
नहीं, आई थिंक मैं जब कॉलेज में था और मैं किसी को बोलता था कि मैं एक्टर बनेगा तो बोलता तू विलन बने, मतलब वो कभी, हाँ मतलब हमेशा से क्या
चरित्र क्या?
पता नहीं, मतलब
अच्छा।
चेहरे पे ऐसा कुछ था या क्या चरित्र की बात है। तो आई थिंक आई उन सारे कॉलेज के दोस्तों को बोलना चाहूंगा कि मैं फाइनली विलन बन गया, और वो भी जॉन अब्राहम के ऑपोजिट। सो आई थिंक आई एम वेरी वेरी हैप्पी। एंड मैंने निखिल सर को ऑलमोस्ट चेस किया था, वो किसी और एक्टर से बात कर रहे थे कि यार तुमसे मिलना है, मैं घुस गया था बीच में कि शायद मुझसे ही मिल लो। और फाइनली जब मैं मिला तो अरे क्या आप, मैं नाम बोल लूंगा इस एक्टर का लेकिन लेकिन फाइनली मैं इनको संडे को मिला था और इन्होंने मुझे ये वेदा की स्क्रिप्ट जो है मैंने वहाँ पढ़ी, एंड आई थिंक इट इज वन ऑफ द बेस्ट स्क्रिप्ट्स आई एवर रेड। एंड आई रियली रियली, मतलब ये मैं इसलिए नहीं बोल रहा हूँ क्योंकि मैं इस फिल्म में काम कर रहा हूँ, बिकॉज ऑफ कास्टिंग के काम की वजह से भी बहुत सारे स्क्रिप्ट्स पढ़ता हूँ। आई थिंक इट्स अ वेरी वेरी स्पेशल स्क्रिप्ट, और ये इंडिया के लिए बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, मतलब हमारे देश के लिए बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट कहानी है। And I mean, and it's a privilege to work with this team and this director. I still remember this one small thing. It was a talkie scene, and Nikhil sir just came and told me that इसको बस तू action scene की तरफ लेके। ये छोटा सा जो एक tip था, that changed a lot in the performance. So I'm grateful. Thank you, sir. Thank you for being there throughout this journey. And now, audience.
Absolutely. I'm going to give out to the audience before that, but just some words with me just before I ask the audience to ask their questions. You make a film and you've got like so much prep work has actually gone in there. You have to choose and you have to be honest about this. Who really surprised you? Prep work से जो कूद के बाहर आ गया. He said, "My God, man, what did they do on screen?" मैंने सोचा था अच्छा करेंगे लेकिन ये तो कहीं ज्यादा अच्छा हो गया. If you had to choose somebody, who would that be in the film?
That would be Kshitij, very, 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 very sitting. Yeah.
ओए होए, क्या बात।
You can turn around, brother. Let them see who you are. Yep.
He's just I mean, at face value, he's this lovely, good-looking boy. But I mean, he really was the guy who I needed to torment her, and then become like a crazy, like a crazed kind of person. And I think John and I sat and watched so many of Kavish kept sending us stuff, and John and I kept looking, and we kept saying, "Okay, John is good looking, right? He's good looking." John was saying, "Yaar, body bhi acha hai, yaar." That kind. But we kept looking. But I think that what I mean, there's a kind of you really hate him. You really, but you at one point in the film you want to turn and say, "Isko maar padni chahiye." Yeah, which is great. I think that's lovely.
John, do you still like beating people up on screen? I mean, is it fun? You don't, right? You're actually not as aggressive as people say that you are.
Not at all. Not at all. I'm actually very, very soft in real life. I've
Absolutely.
never, just knowledge that no one knows probably. I've never got into a fist fight in my life.
That's because people are too scared to get into a fist fight with you. That's different. It's not you. It's not them. It's you.
No, I think I'm non-confrontational. I don't like fighting. I don't think it's the best way. On screen, yeah, a little bit of pulling steering wheels out.
Yeah, literally.
There's a-
And you're an amazing animal lover. That's why I love you so much.
There's a lovely moment that I want to just quickly chat about. I have 2 seconds.
All yours.
And I can't. Whatever we can say about John in this and his involvement in this film is less, because really at the end of the day, somebody of that stature and that kind of a star to basically come to the set and I say, "John, today you're just standing. Standing and you're watching. Just stand." And he just kept doing it. I remember at one point, I think we were at the 40th or 50th day or 40th day of show or 30th day of show, something like that. And Sharvari came to me and she said that, John today said, because it was the first day of action. And John said, "Now the film starts."
50 days in. I'm going to open out to questions, please. We've got mics, I think, over there. Can we get some chairs? Yeah.
Everything that I do, Bharti, is inspired by something or the other, right? In the sense, whether it's Mumbai Diaries,
Please have a seat.
Mrs. Chatterjee versus Norway, whether it is Veda. Yeah, so it is, there are, I mean, it's not really one incident, but there are, and unfortunately, there are so many such incidents that one could actually read about and do some research about it. So yeah, but it's heavily fictionalized. But yeah, the unfortunately the germs and the seeds of what the story is and what Veda actually goes through is very, very prevalent even in the country right now. Yeah. I was just stunned that nobody was having a conversation with us, right? I was just stunned that nobody was having a conversation because we've had a great journey. Whether it was Batla, which was a tough film to make and a tough film to get through, or whether it was Mrs. Chatterjee versus with Norway, where we had done some kind of, I mean, we I think that, we have made a couple of mistakes in terms of rephrasing the Sushma Swaraj speech. And the censors really helped us because they said, we want you to maintain it as an external affairs minister and you got to change this, etc., etc. So we did those kind of stuff. So really at the end of the day, it was, and my journey with D-Day also, right? I had been through examining committee and revision committee. And so I knew that, Bharti, I knew that very well that this film was going to have a journey, right? It's just that because we knew that 15th August is such an integral part of whatever is John and my journey, right? In the sense that both Satyamev Jayate and Butler houses come on that day. And it really is we are very superstitious about it and we think that it really can benefit the film, especially a film like this. So we really wanted to hit that and that's why we were actually really, we were a little surprised with nobody was having a conversation. But eventually I just have to say that I was flawed by the way they approached it when they finally saw it and they understood the context in which the film has been made. They understood everything. The revising committee and the RO, they just really helped us. Today we are sitting over here, we're standing over here. We already have the censor certificate. I mean, yeah, censor cuts with us. Yeah.
John, your left.
Sorry, I can't hear you.
CEO of the censor board has put in her papers today.
Yeah. Oh, okay.
We've got a question on the left.
John, your left. राहुल here from the फिल्मी चर्चा. 15 अगस्त अपने आप में एक बहुत बड़ा दिन होता है. कुछ साल पहले तक तो 15 अगस्त, अभी भी 15 अगस्त बहुत बड़ा दिन है. लेकिन कुछ सालों से 15 अगस्त एक चीज और के लिए जाना जाता है, वो भी जॉन अब्राहम के फिल्म के लिए कुछ सालों से. तो बहुत प्राउड मोमेंट है आपके लिए भी. लेकिन ऑन स्क्रीन तो आपने देश के लिए बहुत सेवा किया है, बहुत कुछ किया है, बहुत गलत होते हुए भी रोका है आपने. लेकिन क्या रियल लाइफ में कभी कुछ, पूरे देश का तो नहीं बदल सकते, लेकिन आपके आसपास कुछ गलत हो रहा हो तो क्या कभी आपने कोशिश किया है कभी, या कोशिश करेंगे आप कुछ गलत रोकने का?
Yeah, definitely. Like every citizen of this country, कोशिश definitely करूँगा मैं क्यों, सब लोग करेंगे कोशिश.
कभी मौका मिला है सर ऐसा कुछ शेयर करना चाहेंगे इंसिडेंट?
Maybe some other time on some other, लेकिन करूँगा definitely. We are all good citizens. यहाँ पे जितने सारे लोग बैठे हैं, they all want to do good for the country. तो हम लोग सब करेंगे.
Hello, hi Nikhil sir. I am Artesh from Bollywood Helpline. So but मेरा क्वेश्चन ये है आपको that it took 6 years आपको और अजीम सर को to develop the script. So what was the most challenging part के इसको इतना टाइम लगाने के लिए? And one more thing that you said कि it's inspired from true events, like it's a reflection of society. So आपने society को किस तरह देखा? किस तरह पोर्ट्रे करना था आपको? What was your most challenging part क्या था मूवी?
What are the most challenging parts of?
What which make you took 6 years to develop the script?
यार एक्चुअली आई मीन इट्स अ वेरी फ्रिवलेस आंसर बट आई विल गिव इट टू यू. मुझे बोला गया था कि यार जोधपुर आ जाओ, वहाँ पे बारिश नहीं होती है. एंड इट जस्ट रेन्ड एंड रेन्ड एंड रेन्ड एंड रेन्ड. तो मतलब, और मेरा जो डीओपी है मलय स्टैंड अप, एंड एवरी सिंगल पर्सन ओवर हियर will say that wow okay, how what a I mean how beautiful the film looks. But literally यार 2 बजे उठना पड़ा, 3 बजे उठना पड़ा, 1 बजे सोना पड़ा, because I mean Malay is crazy about the light and wants the light to be perfect. तो अगर आप blue hour
जी हेलो सर. जॉन अब्राहम,
why did it take 6 years to develop this film? It took me 6 years to develop this film is because I was making I was trying to make Abhay Pannu's Rocket Boys. I was trying to do Mumbai Diaries myself. I was looking for I was looking for somebody to play Veda when Sharvari came into the office and she heard it and I looked at it. I said, "This is Veda. I mean, I think it's incredible." John and I worked very hard on the script. We worked hard on the action because actually most people still say, "यार कलोना क्यों नहीं बनाते हो? कलोना क्यों नहीं बनाते हो?" So for me to be able to do what I did with D-Day and take it one step further in terms of the action, it was really, really listening. But I think, but most importantly, I think we worked very, very, very hard on the script, very hard. यार वो रिस्क तो हमेशा होता ही है. तो वो इफ आई मेक सेकंड पार्ट ऑफ कलोना और टुडे लोग बोलेंगे यार ये क्या है 6 दिन लड़की है, राइट? लोग बोलेंगे यार एक औरत वहाँ पे, एक वुमन इज स्टैंडिंग ओवर देयर एंड 2 men are standing और एट डिस्कसिंग, ये इस जन्म में तुम वो तुम्हारी हो गई, अगले 6 जन्म में. तो एवरीथिंग इज अ रिस्क. आज एवरीथिंग इज अ रिस्क. एवरीथिंग हैज टू बी thought about. Everything you have to keep in mind a lot of things. But having said that, that should not stop you from telling the stories that you want to tell. And I think that Veda really is something that it really, I mean, the story of Veda and the story of like the soldier who basically she helps her get to what she wants to do was something that I wanted to do and wanted to say. Yeah, it's just everything fell into place.
जॉन सर, मेरा सवाल आपसे, जॉन सर इस तरफ, मेरा सवाल ये है कि एक लंबे ब्रेक के बाद जब शाहरुख खान साहब ऑन स्क्रीन पे आए तो जवान ने सारे रिकॉर्ड्स तोड़ दिए. क्या आपको लगता है वेदा भी वो कमाल कर पाएगी? और वेदा को इतने लंबे अरसे के बाद आपने साइन किया, इसकी यूएसपी क्या लगती है आपको?
जी आई डोंट नो अभी उसका जवाब कैसे दूं, लेकिन आई जस्ट टेल यू with all due respect to Patla House और जो भी हमने साथ में करा है, I think Veda is the best film that Nikhil and I have done together. It's outstanding. तो और मैं सच बोल रहा हूँ कि and I'm repeating again कि and this is what I try and explain to जितने सारे हमारे studios है, marketing people है, and I try and explain in the nicest possible way, क्योंकि all credit to Z, they're a fantastic team. लेकिन मैं सबको बोलता हूँ कि if your film's not good, no amount of marketing will help the film. तो मैं बहुत confident हूँ और मैं स्टेज पे बोल रहा हूँ सबके सामने, Veda's a damn good film. It's a very good film और चलेगी. कितना चलेगी मुझे पता नहीं. Veda's got Nikhil Advani as director. It's got Abhishek Banerjee. It's got Sharvari Vav. It's got fantastic actors in this film जो यहाँ बैठे हैं हमारे साथ. Outstanding. Please, I mean, if you can just please stand up and everybody just. The film is not complete without all of them. Cinematography, action, Malay, Amin Bhai, and a lot of other things. तो film का जो USP is everything. It's not just one thing. And it's a, और मैं on record कहना चाहता हूँ, it's I am also half Parsi. Please understand कि जो बुरा है मैं बुरा बोलता ही हूँ. Because I don't care. Veda is a good film. It's a very good film. I'm confident.
जॉन सर, मेरा क्वेश्चन आपसे है. सबसे पहले तो कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशन बधाई, बहुत अच्छा आपका ट्रेलर है, बहुत अच्छा है, बहुत अच्छा आपने इसमें किया है. लेकिन लगातार आप की सत्यमेव जयते आई, उसका पार्ट 2 आया, पठान भी हमने देखी, बहुत अच्छा बिजनेस किया. लेकिन ये देखने में आ रहा है कि लगातार आप एक ही तरह का रोल कर रहे हैं, खास तौर से एक्शन पे ध्यान दे रहे हैं. तो ऐसा क्यों है? कुछ नया लाइए ना सर. मैं हिंद समर्थन से
आपने फिल्म देखी है?
नहीं, अभी तो नहीं देखी, लेकिन
ठीक है. Can I call out bad questions and idiots?
सर मुझे ट्रेलर से अंदाज होगा कि वो उसी तरीके का जैसा.
नहीं, मैं तो आपको सिर्फ डायरेक्टली कहना चाहता हूँ कि ये फिल्म अलग है मेरे हिसाब से. तो आई थिंक इट्स अ वेरी इंटेंस परफॉर्मेंस जो मैंने करा है. एंड ऑफ कोर्स आपने फिल्म देखी नहीं है, ट्रेलर देखा है. फिल्म देखिए आप, उसके बाद आप जज कीजिए. एंड देन आई एम ऑल योर्स, व्हाटएवर यू से. हाँ, बट इफ यू आर रॉन्ग, आई एम गोइंग टू टर्न यू अराउंड एंड टेल यू अपार्ट. हाँ, हेलो. हाँ,
अच्छा रुको, पहले अपना नाम तो बता दो ताकि याद तो रहे.
John.
ठीक है सर. नाम वो चेहरा देख लिया मैंने, नोट कर लिया. नाम क्या आपका? ओके.
हेलो जॉन सर. हाय, हियर.
I must tell you, John, congratulations.
One sec, ma'am. Yeah.
John, congratulations. You have upped your action game.
Thank you.
How much did how much went into, while
So
upping
honestly,
the game?
this is just to I'm just trying to continue the answer there. this is actually not an action film. It's a very, very emotional film. और जब भी आप देखोगे आपको पता चलेगा it's a very, very emotional film. And please see the film, you'll understand what I'm talking about. We can't speak so much about it. We've shown what we had to show. It's a beautiful, emotional story. And I get moved. Sometimes when I see it on the edit, you get tears in your eyes. It's beautiful.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Thank you. जी जी मैम वेदा जो कहानी है वो एक बहुत ही ब्रेव लड़की की कहानी है और जिसे एक बहुत ही ज़्यादा ब्रेव कोच मिलते हैं और इट्स देयर जर्नी टू जस्टिस और जैसे आपने कहा कि मेरा जो प्रेप रहा है वेदा के लिए ऑफ कोर्स दिस कैरेक्टर डिमांडेड अ लॉट फ्रॉम मी बिकॉज ये राजस्थान में सेट है जिसके लिए भाषा का जो लहजा होता है वो आपको चेंज करना पड़ता है जैसे जैसे कि हर किलोमीटर पे पानी बदलता है वैसे भाषा भी बदलती है तो आई थिंक कि एज एन एक्टर मैं हमेशा से बहुत हंग्री और ग्रीडी रही हूँ इस चीज़ को लेके कि जब कोई किरदार आता है तो मैं सबसे पहले ये खोजती हूँ कि इसमें मेरे प्रीवियस किरदार से अलग क्या है और मुझे वो बहुत एक्साइट करता है ये जो छोटी चीज़ें होती है कि कैसे चलना है कैसे बैठना है कैसे बात करनी है और बात करने में भी एक होता है लैंग्वेज दूसरा होता है उसकी पेस वो किस पेस किस मीटर पे बैठता है किस पिच पे बैठता है आई थिंक ये सब जो काम है मुझे बहुत पसंद है मुझे प्रेप में बड़ा मजा आता है और ऑफ कोर्स निखिल सर वाज द मेन गाइड क्योंकि उनके साथ काफ़ी सारी रीडिंग्स हुई मेरी महादेव जो यहाँ पे है उन्होंने एक्चुअली सबसे ज़्यादा हेल्प की है मेरी इन टर्म्स ऑफ लैंग्वेज क्योंकि मैं महाराष्ट्र हूँ और थैंक यू मैम तो जो डिक्शन आपको ऑफ कोर्स यू नीड हेल्प ये ऐसे नहीं होता कि आप मैंने बहुत सारी डॉक्यूमेंट्रीज देखी थी फ्रॉम इन एंड अराउंड दिस रीजन ताकि मैं रियल लोगों को सुन पाऊँ रादर देन गोइंग टू फिल्म्स और गोइंग टू एनीथिंग एल्स ऑल्सो एक बहुत माइन्यूट डिफरेंस होता है राजस्थानी और हरियाणवी में जो मुझे भी नहीं पता था लेकिन ऑफ कोर्स माय डिक्शन कोच बॉट इट अप टू मी और आई थिंक कि उस पर बहुत ज़्यादा काम हुआ है सो it and also it's a very emotional story very brave story apart from the fact that of course as a character there was a lot of backstory that I had to build it was not just about the language not just about boxing not just about anything else because ये जो कहानी होती है ना हर कहानी फिल्मों में कहीं बीच में से शुरू होती है लेकिन हम किसी की जिंदगी प्ले कर रहे होते हैं और इस जिंदगी के अगर वेदा 16-17 साल की है तो उसने 16-17 साल जिए हैं वो कैसे जिए हैं तो वो सब पे काम करना तो वो मेरा प्रेप रहा है और आई वुड से कि मुझे इससे ज्यादा मजा कभी नहीं आया है प्रेप करने में इवन दो दिस अ वेरी वेरी टफ स्टोरी लेकिन एज एन एक्टर आई हैव ऑलवेज just wanted to play something like this and I would say thank you to Nick this film.
Hello. Hi, John sir, here. John sir here. On your left, John sir here. First of all, guys, congratulations. बहुत अच्छा लगा ट्रेलर, टीजर भी बहुत अच्छा था. जॉन सर, मेरा सवाल आपसे ये है. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, माय नेम इज आयुष एंड आई एम फ्रॉम बजूका मीडिया. 2003 में आपने जिस्म फिल्म से डेब्यू किया था, उसके बाद से लेकर अब तक आपने सभी विलन्स के सारे जिस्म की सारी हड्डी तोड़ी है. मैं आपसे ये जानना चाहूंगा, आपको कभी एक्शन सीन करते टाइम ऐसा कभी डर लगा है कि यार ज्यादा ताकत लग गई तो लेने के देने हो जाएंगे और सामने जो खड़ा है इसकी उतनी इज्जत भी करना है?
आप ये फिल्म देखिए एंड आई कैन प्रॉमिस यू वन थिंग विदाउट टेलिंग यू मच ऑफ द स्टोरी. इसमें जो एक्शन, आप एक्शन की बात कर रहे हो, द एक्शन दैट अभिषेक बैनर्जी हैज डन इन दिस फिल्म, मजाक नहीं कर रहा हूं मैं. इंटरमिशन पॉइंट मतलब आप इनके लिए तालियां बजाओगे. नंबर 1 क्लाइमैक्स में इनके लिए आप तालियां बजाओगे. सो आई थिंक इट्स अ बिग मिसकंसेप्शन कि एन एक्टर बिकम्स अ प्रिजनर ऑफ हिज ओन इमेज. जैसे सलील ने कहा बाइसेप्स है, ये है, वो है, लेकिन जो इंटेंसिटी अभिषेक हैज ब्रॉट टू द कैरेक्टर इज अनबिलीवेबल. अभिषेक इज आउटस्टैंडिंग. तो मैं अपने एक्शन के बारे में बात नहीं करूंगा. यू सी हिम इन द ट्रेलर, ही इज आउटस्टैंडिंग.
And John is very humble also and he likes to always, but which is the truth also. But ये बात सच है, ये जो बोल रहे हैं कि अभिषेक को बहुत कमाल का काम किया है.
Yeah, hi.
Got any more?
Hi. This is Prachi, and my question is to Madhu ma'am. You've always made these stories with real life incidents, and they're very hard-hitting stories. So, what pushes you to make such stories, and what inspires you to make such stories?
Well, I think there isn't anything more miraculous or exciting than real life. And I think we, constantly get inspired by what we see around us. There are enough heroes around us. We don't have to only keep looking in the films or, everywhere else. There, ordinary people can inspire you. And for example, Mrs. Chatterjee was one of those stories, right? But I'd like to believe that, we tell the stories that we enjoy watching, and sometimes they find us, sometimes we go looking for them. But it's I think yeah, isn't it? I mean, it's the kind of stuff that we like to watch. It's what excites us. And meaningful cinema, I think, not that you have to find a lesson in everything. We want to entertain people, but we want people to take away something more than that. And so I think that's what keeps us going, so we keep coming back with these kind of stories.
अभिषेक आपके लेफ्ट में हाय जॉन ने आपकी तारीफ की है एक्शन को लेकर, तो आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे इस पे?
I mean, I think just being too sweet. I tried. I tried जितना मतलब हो सकता है मैंने किया. मुझे अभी भी याद है पहली बार जब मैं इनको सेट पे मिला था और मैंने उनके डोले देखे तो मैंने बोला कैसे होगा? ये कैसे कैसे करूँगा मैं? How do I even stand in front of him? But yeah, I think but बात ये है कि हम हमेशा एक्शन और ये जो आप बात कर रहे थे कि मतलब एक्शन फिल्म में हर कैरेक्टर का एक्शन अलग होता है और वही कमाल की बात होती है कि आई थिंक इवन इफ द कैरेक्टर इज हिटिंग इन अ सर्टेन वे ही इज हिटिंग विद द कैरेक्टर. तो हम इसको एक्शन बोल रहे हैं लेकिन मेरे लिए जैसे कहते हैं देसी रॉ एक्शन फिल्म है और उसमें ड्रामा उतना ही ज्यादा है और उस ड्रामे की वजह से जो है मुझे लगता है कि एक्शन का वेट बढ़ता है. सो वो जो बिल्डअप कहते हैं ना, जो आई थिंक निखिल सर बार बार बोलते थे कि बिल्डअप है, बिल्डअप वो जो टेंशन जब बढ़ता है तब वो एक्शन में रिलीज होता है और वायलेंस का तभी फायदा है जब मतलब उसका कोई रेपोकेशन. तो इस फिल्म में आप वायलेंस का रेपोकेशन देखेंगे. ऐसा नहीं है कि चोट लगी अगले सीन में ठीक है, सो दैट्स समथिंग व्हिच आई थिंक इज यूनिक टू दिस फिल्म.
आपकी जो फिल्म है स्त्री 2 और वेदा एक ही दिन रिलीज हो रही है, तो जब एक एक्टर की दोनों फिल्में एक ही दिन रिलीज होती हैं तो उसके क्या फायदे और क्या नुकसान होते हैं?
मैम मेरे साथ पहली बार हो रहा है, मुझे कुछ आइडिया नहीं है. मैं मैं आई थिंक 15 के बाद मुझे समझ में आएगा कि क्या होता है क्या नहीं होता है.
अभिषेक बैनर्जी का जो क्यूमुलेटिव कलेक्शन है, no one will be able to touch. You can't compete with him on this day.
Hi, Rutunjay here on your left. On your left, yeah. Hi, first of all, amazing trailer, fantastic trailer, and I'm Rutunjay from Pop Diaries, and congratulations to the team. And I'm loving the energy, enthusiasm, and the encouragement you're giving to your back-end team and supporting actors. Hats off to you guys. So my question is to Monisha. As we have seen, your previous films have released on the same day, and they have released with other films. They have clashed with other films, and still they did well. Now again, Veda is releasing with 2 other films, as rightly said. So what are your thoughts as a producer?
Of course, we do well. But I think all the films will do well. I hope. I think जिस दौर से हमारी इंडस्ट्री गुजर रही है, it's important that we support all films. So I would really request the power of the media now to play that role and tell people that please don't go and see just one film, don't go and see just 2 films. Please go see all 3 films because
Veda first.
Well, see an Abhishek Banerjee film first. How's that? but the fact is, please support all 3 films. It's a lovely time in the year. Rains reduce a little. It's our 77th Independence Day. It's an important time for us to all come together and enjoy this wonderful experience called cinema. I mean, the fun that is to watch it on a screen, the smell of the popcorn. I mean, we've all talked about it and we romanticize it. But I mean, to really experience it again and again and to have 3 great films to do that. Please watch all the films. That's what I would say. I'm speaking like a producer, but I'm also talking like a moviegoer. Thank you.
Thank you so much. I think we'll wrap this up right now. We'll do some pictures right now, please. Yeah. If you all could all stand, they'll take all the mics. And if you could swiftly remove all the chairs. Okay, one sec. First, we'll do entire cast and crew, everyone on stage. Everyone, cast, crew, and yes. Yeah, please stay. No, first we'll do everyone on stage and then we'll do cast and crew, so that then we can release everybody. Yes, please. Yeah. पहले सीधा ऑल सेंटर पहले सेंटर बेटा म्यूजिक बंद कर दे डन सीधा हो गया राइट लेफ्ट हो गया ओके थैंक यू कास्ट एंड क्रू जस्ट कास्ट एंड निखिल सर सर यू हैव टू बी इन एवरी फ्रेम द कैट्स आउट ऑफ द बैग वन सेकंड सोलोज एवरीवन सोलोज अच्छा सर पहले तीनों जन का अच्छा पहले नहीं वन सेक शर्वरी पहले दे सिंह तीनों जन का आप तीनों का पहले एक साथ बालकोनी लिख बोलो ना बेस्ट सोलो सोलो